Hi, Melissa Smith here at the PBA with hopefully the fifth and final video in online courses with your virtual assistant. So I have 3 minutes. Let's go. A quick recap. Video 1 is getting an organized list. Video 2 is who's this going to and why you shouldn't promote to strangers. Video 3 is payment funnel system content and getting the word out. Video 4 is on hosting and whether or not to make your class evergreen. And now we're going to talk about keeping in touch. How are you going to do it? Make sure you know if you want a Facebook group, if you want a Twitter page, if you want a LinkedIn page, if you just want to create a Google room or Google chat or something. But know how you want to keep in touch, because you're going to have to decide who's going to be the moderator of this group, who is going to be the community manager, and you want to get people in there early and you want to get them excited. I'm sure you're part of a lot of groups that are really interactive. It's not always as easy as it seems. So you need to devote the time and energy to them, and you need to do that up front. You need to promote. I can't stress this enough. So whether it's in emails, to your lists, with affiliates, I'm not stressing that you pay for promoting this class the first time around. I'm stressing that someone is promoting it to your followers already. These are the people you want to go after. You don't want to go after people who don't know you yet, right? Now, you also want to keep updating the content. As it's coming in, as things are coming in, you want someone to be able and ready to tweak your pages, to tweak what you're saying, to tweak what's working and what's not. For instance, if you find people are going to your sales page and they're not putting in their credit card and they're not buying, and you're like, oh, wow, we need to switch this content around. You want someone who can easily go in and switch that around. If your verbiage is wrong on another page, if links aren't working, if there's a problem anywhere, because there's always going to be technical issues. It's just the way it is. You want to make sure that you have your VA who's ready to do that. And you want to make sure your surveys and your testimonials are set up. So make sure you already know what you want to ask people and that those can be tweaked at the end, but make sure you send it out while they're still invested in the course. Don't wait until afterwards, because the rate of completion will go down. And also think about getting video testimonials before the course is even over, and while people are still so excited they got this class with you and they're the first to do it. There's excitement in that. There's excitement in being the first to do something. Right? So you want to keep all this in the forefront. You want to make sure you're paying attention as you're promoting it, but there always has to be something outgoing. So whether you're in the background, your VA has to be in the forefront. If you're in the forefront, then your VA needs to be in the background. But you want this continuous motion constantly going, so you have an excellent online class at the lowest possible price possible. And after that, you can start taking off and really going for it like you want to. Okay. I did it in 5 videos. We're all at a time. Seriously, I hope you have got the free audiobook by now and that you subscribe to this channel. I don't know what else to do if you haven't. And remember, I'm not only a CEO, entrepreneur, business owner, online course provider like you, I am also a virtual assistant, because you can't do it all yourself. Bye.